Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. What you eat first thing in the morning sets the tone for your whole day. If you skip breakfast or choose unhealthy options, you're more likely to make unhealthy choices throughout the day. On the other hand, starting your day with a nutritious breakfast can help you make healthy choices all day long. And what's most important is to make sure you include at least small portions from 3 slices of the Mediterranean pie to keep you feeling full until lunchtime. Fruits or veggies, whole grains, and a little protein. But you clicked on this video because you're looking for some nutritious Mediterranean-style breakfast ideas that'll help you start your day off on the right foot. So look no further. Here are 5 healthy ways to start your day. But hey, let me just say, at the end of the video, I'm going to be listing some of my favorite quick little ideas for grab-and-go options when you're really out of time, but still want to start your day in a healthy way. So stick around to the end for those. Right now, though, let's get started with some fun and easy breakfast ideas. Here in Spain, the most classic and typical breakfast is known as a tostada con tomate, or a slice of fiber-rich toasted whole grain baguette slathered with grated tomatoes that's loaded with cancer-fighting antioxidant lycopene and the anti-inflammatory qualities of extra virgin olive oil, and a sprinkle of seeds and nuts to make it even healthier. A blender full of healthy ingredients can turn a simple smoothie into a powerful way to start your day. And while smoothies aren't typically Mediterranean, they're actually a pretty perfect fit because the Mediterranean way to eat every day is all about eating fresh, whole foods. And what could be more fresh than fruits and veggies straight from the blender? Smoothies are a great way, too, to sneak in some veggies first thing in the morning when you add a whole zucchini for a big boost of vitamin A to strengthen your immune system, or some cauliflower florets or cooked beets, along with potassium-packed frozen banana or blueberries and some yogurt to make a morning drink that's really refreshing and super nutritious. And if you're looking for a little protein boost, add a dollop of nut butter. Start by adding the liquids first. Water, milk, or non-dairy milks if that's your preference. Then layer in your fruits and veggies. You can always make it a little sweeter if that's your thing, with the addition of a little honey, maple syrup, or a date or two. And don't forget that spices add more than flavor. Many of them are chock full of healthy nutrients too. Oatmeal is a great way to get your day started on a healthy note. You can always go the overnight route by simply combining rolled oats, milk, and your favorite fruit in a jar and let them sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and really nutritious breakfast that's ready to go. But I like to enjoy the morning quiet by making a hot bowl of mixed whole oats and spelt grain while I indulge in my one little daily shot of espresso and some ease into the day music. A simple bowl of yogurt is another probiotic breakfast favorite that is so easy it almost shouldn't count in this list, but I'm always on the lookout for ways to make my food more exciting and flavorful. So when I learned that adding some dehydrated fruit bits like raspberries would give me an extra boost of flavor and crunch in every bite with no added sugar or preservatives, I'm all in. And I also like to load the bowl with antioxidant-rich blueberries and a handful of heart-healthy seed mix to make this a really wholesome, nutritious way to get my day off to a great start. While it's important to eat a balance of protein, whole grains, and fruits and vegetables, when you eat a protein-rich breakfast, it really helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, so you're a lot less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks later in the morning. While my favorite protein-packed breakfast may not be classically Mediterranean, it includes all the ingredients that are welcome in the Mediterranean way to eat every day. An omelet stuffed with black beans, feta cheese, and topped with a fresh dice of tomatoes and herbs. Ah, so tasty, I just love it. If you've made it to the end of the video, I promised I'll supply a couple of other ideas for those quick grab-and-go moments. When you don't have any time in the morning, what can you do to start it off right? Just make sure you have a few things ready to munch on or throw into a bento box or sandwich bag for a quick breakfast to go, like hard-boiled eggs. The cheese I like to call the protein queen, cottage cheese. A handful of protein from toasted nuts like almonds or cashews. A handful of antioxidant-packed berries. And one of my favorites, and a short recipe video you'll find at the end of this link, homemade almond butter spread on small toast or whole grain crackers, topped with a little sliced bananas or even some apples and a dash of cinnamon. Whatever you like.